I gotta show you these smoked bacon onion ring burgers. You gotta check them out. This is one of my favorite burgers to do at the pit. And all it requires is a few things. Like here, we've got a sweet onion. Happens to be a Vidalia onion, one of those Georgia sweets. They're fantastic. Just get yourself a large onion. What you want to do is skin them and slice them just like that. You know all about that. It's really easy to make the rings. They just pop out. Oh, man. These are gonna be good. Trust me. Now, the rings are made. Now, we're going to take some regular sliced pork belly bacon and we're going to wrap them just like that. Oh, I am telling you, if you've never done this before, you got to check it out. Look at that. Simple. Now, use a good quality bacon or your favorite bacon, but don't use a thick bacon because it'll just take too long. But that's pitmaster privilege, right? So again, we're using regular cut bacon and wrapping these rings just like that. Oh man, I am telling you, those are ready to eat already. Except nope, we're putting them on we got a kettle grill here. We're placing them opposite the hot coals. We don't want to burn the bacon, and we're gonna let them cook. Hey, for about 45 minutes or until the bacon is just the way you like it. Just like that. Some like them real crispy, some like them kind of soft, and some just in between, and that's the way we got here. Oh, man. Now, you could serve these up as a snack, maybe some dipping powders or sauces or whatever, just like that, and a good cold one. Or what we're going to do is we're going to put them on a burger. Now, we've made a sheet pan of ground beef, just like you would a regular burger, but on a sheet pan. It just makes it real easy. And put them on your favorite roll. I don't have to tell you what to do next, but these are awesome. Take one of those smoked bacon onion rings. You set it up the way you want. Any kind of condiment or none at all. Again, pitmaster privilege. Man, maybe some of you understand why this is one of my favorite burgers here. I mean, it is simple to do. Just choose the right onion ring. Oh yeah, that's going to be perfect. Oh. Not much more to say about this. Add some more cheese. Oh. Maybe a little bit of sauce. Oh, need I say more? This is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, and they're not going to apologize. Trust me. And like we always say, be sure to make a bunch. You'll want 2, 3, maybe more. Ooh, man. Oh, Lord have mercy. Now, if you're tailgating or doing a big event, you could pre-make these onions wrapped in bacon and just throw them on the grill when you get there, right? Per order. Simple enough. All right, let's make another one because we know you wanted to see another one. All right. A little bit of sauce. Yep. Oh, man. I am telling you. Some more cheese. Whoa. Oh, yeah, it's good. So, just remember the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.